Hey Gems! Welcome back to our channel.
I'm SAFFIYA.
And I'm Ryan. And we're your skincare experts.
So can you guys guess what today's topic is going to be about? That's right,
MASKNE.
So let's go ahead and take these things off now so we can properly tell you all about MASKNE.
And in case you guys wanted to see a specific part, skip ahead, you can go ahead and check the description down below and we will go ahead and timestamp all the different sections of the video.
So Ryan, what is MASKNE?
So MASKNE is exactly how it sounds. It's masked acne. Acne caused from, you guessed it, wearing your mask. So SAFFIYA, the big question that everybody wants to know, what causes MASKNE?
So actually there's a lot of reasons that cause MASKNE, but I'm going to kind of give you guys more of like the scientific reason of why it's even happening in the first place. So basically, when you have the mask on and you're breathing, it's hot air that's coming out of your mouth. That hot air is causing your pores to dilate and to open up. And then also we're sweating under our mask, so it's more oils and sweat that are going into our pores that are dilated and open, therefore causing MASKNE.
MASKNE.
Yes.
Disgusting.
Very.
So one of the things that can cause MASKNE is wearing makeup under your mask. You're leaving all that makeup, all that product to penetrate into your skin, and that is not what we want.
If you really want to wear your makeup, just do your eyes, but do not wear the makeup under your mask. We just did it for video's sake. I just did it for video's sake.
She just did it for video's sake. My mask is definitely not covered in makeup. Can you imagine putting that mask back on your face after you've taken it off from wearing makeup? You know, I know, you know how gross it looks when you take it off and you see that that white mask is full of your N85 makeup, your N85 foundation, whatever it is.
And we're just basically putting it right back into our pores.
The goal is to keep your pores clean and clear.
So that's one of the reasons. Another reason why is from not properly cleansing our skin after we remove our mask at night, or whenever we get off work or from wearing our mask.
And I know for a fact, a lot of you, I hate to say it, don't wash your face after your long day of wearing makeup. You use a makeup remover, a makeup wipe, and call it a day. That is not okay. So please do us a favor and wash your face after your makeup, regardless of wearing masks.
And we'll go into that another time of how to properly remove your makeup. Today we're just going to kind of talk about MASKNE. So those are the two reasons so far we have: wearing your makeup under your mask and not properly cleansing your skin after your mask. Okay, another reason why you're getting MASKNE. So if you're not wearing a moisturizer over on your skin before you put on your mask, that moisturizer is just really there to protect that barrier function, a thin lining just so nothing is penetrating into those pores. So that's why it is kind of important to wear a moisturizer under your mask, a lightweight moisturizer.
A lightweight moisturizer, because like we said previously, you're gonna open up your pores a little bit, or a lot of it for some of you. You only want the best to be into your skin, and not something heavy, not anything that's gonna clog your pores.
So now we're gonna talk about how to prevent MASKNE. Right?
So one of the biggest tips I can give you guys, and I can promise you if you do practice it, you will see a big difference, is to have good hygiene or practice good hygiene. It makes all the world's difference.
One of the ways you can do that is after you get home from wearing your mask all day, you are gonna immediately, as soon as you can, double cleanse, okay? Not once washing your face, twice. That's the best way to make sure you're giving yourself a thorough cleanse. Okay, you can use the same cleanser if you want twice in the same row, or you can use a cleanser and an exfoliator right after. Then you're gonna do a toner. Toners are really important. They're gonna completely take out anything that you may have left after washing, especially like in those little baby hairs on the perimeter of your face, and it just gets everything out, and also makes your pH balance back to normal, so you don't get oily really fast.
And I do really quick want to add to that, don't exfoliate too much. 2 to 3 times a week.
A week, yes.
So don't overdo it. So lastly, to add on to how to prevent MASKNE, be mindful of what you're eating, what you're putting in your mouth. Make sure to brush your teeth, clean your lips and around your face, just in case, you might be eating something greasy and delicious, but you want to clean your mouth, because ultimately, like we said earlier, that's going to transfer onto your mask, and if you're wearing that for long hours of the day, you're just going to be rubbing all that grease, all that food debris onto your face.
Yes, he's really honestly right. I've actually had a lot of my clients complaining about blackheads on their lip line and their lower chin area. So making sure that you have, you're just properly clean in that area really does help. And I also even tell them, wear a chapstick underneath your mask. Make that part of your routine because it's, again, protecting that outer layer, making sure nothing is getting into those pores like your sweat and oils. So just wearing a protective layer helps with that. Chapstick.
Chapstick. Not sponsored. To add to all of that, not only talking about your skin, but you need to keep your mask clean. If you're using disposable masks, dispose of your mask. If you're using reusable masks, wash your masks. It's gonna make such a big difference. And I do wanna let you guys know that we are so grateful for all of the frontline workers, everybody who's still working throughout all this time, providing service for everybody. All of you guys are making such a big difference, and we just wanna say thank you from the bottom of our heart.
We really appreciate you guys so much.
So the question you've all been waiting for, the golden question, what can you do to treat MASKNE? What ingredients are best for MASKNE?
So we kind of talked about it a little bit, but we're gonna go more in depth. So again, toners. I would suggest getting a hydrating or balancing toner. You don't want anything that has a really high alcohol content. That'll just dry out your skin. And straight witch hazel, although it's good and effective, but not for everybody, it can be a little bit irritating. So just find a good balancing or hydrating toner. Look for those keywords.
So for cleansers, we can always go for a gel cleanser. A gel cleanser is typically pretty good for everybody, for all skin types, typically. All the other products that you use in your skin regimen are definitely going to help back that. So, if you are more on the dry side, then you are going to have some products like a toner and a moisturizer that are going to more likely help with those issues. But overall, a gel cleanser would be really great for cleansing your skin during your time through MASKNE.
It doesn't have to be anything fancy. A gel cleanser can be something that's a very gentle daily gel cleanser. It doesn't have to have any strong ingredients like salicylic acid. Keep it simple, guys. Something that's simple and gentle is your way to go for a cleanser.
And the most basic one that most people know of is Cetaphil, and that's a pretty universal cleanser for everybody to try out.
I actually also like the Clinique one, is a great option, the gel cleanser that they have. Dermatologist tested, no fragrance, great for sensitive skin.
Sounds beautiful.
Yeah, there's so many, guys. If you guys want suggestions, please comment down below.
Send us a like too, please.
Might as well.
And maybe we can even make a video for you guys specifically on products, just so that way you guys have a little bit of
It definitely
inside
does help,
knowledge.
yeah. So another product or ingredient would be a great serum. You can do a hydrating serum, but I would also recommend doing a serum that has niacinamides, because niacinamides naturally keep the pores clean. If you're gonna put that on after your toner, put on your serum, let it soak in for about 30 to 60 seconds, and then you're gonna go in with your moisturizers.
So there are a few different types of moisturizers that you can use. Like we said before, a very lightweight moisturizer would be great, especially before you start your day with your mask.
And a good example of a lightweight moisturizer would be, like we talked about earlier, a gel or water-based. So there's so many out there in the market, but just to touch a few, there's also Clinique. They have a Moisture Surge moisturizer. It's really lightweight, just keeps your skin moisturized throughout the day. Also, Huda Beauty just came out with a great one. Her Wishful skincare line, she has I think it's a honey-infused moisturizer. So it's really hydrating, really nice and lightweight.
Otherwise, later in the evening, you can go ahead and go for a hydrating overnight mask, so that way you can kind of rebalance and replenish your skin from all those oils and all the hydration that it's been lacking from the time you've been wearing your mask. And as we go for overnight creams, I do know of one by Fresh. It's the Overnight Lotus Moisturizer.
I have to try that. Sounds good.
It's really nice. It's really nice.
So if you do have breakouts because of the mask, then you're gonna want to add in a salicylic treatment in there. You can do it in many ways. You can get a salicylic infused toner, or you can get it in a spot treatment. There's so many spot treatments out there on the market. Mario Badescu has a really great one that you dip in with a Q-tip and you can spot treat the little, breakouts.
Love that. Beautiful.
Yes, and then again, Clinique has a great one. Theirs is salicylic acid. It's pure, it's 2%, and it dries super fast, so I like that one as well. You just spot treat again. And then also you can also go and see your esthetician and get an amazing facial. And they'll use professional products that have salicylic acid, like an enzyme, to really, you know, just get rid of the bacteria, clean out the pores, and give your skin a fresh, revived look.
And one last thing to add on to that, just a quick little side note. Your esthetician is able to get products that are a lot stronger than what you're able to get on the market. Because I know there's so many people who think, oh, it's just a facial, like they're just gonna wash my face for me, but it's not that shallow. It's a lot deeper than that. We're able to use products that could potentially make your skin go way bad or really good, depending on how we use it and how we're able to see the indications on your skin and see how your skin's reacting, and just from the general knowledge that we know of skin and how experience and knowing when to take something off or how long to use something, or knowing if an ingredient's going to be right for you.
Not just that, yeah, we use amazing professional ingredients that you cannot just get from, you know, Ulta or Sephora. We also do extractions, guys. Something that you guys should not be doing at home, honestly, because you can scar yourself. But we do extractions, and that is a big bonus, especially like with something like MASKNE. All this area is getting congested. The chin area, I can get them out for you.
We can get them out for you.
Yes, we.
Or of course, your local esthetician. Remember to give your local esthetician some love during these hard times, because most of us have been out of work for quite a while, and it has honestly been one of the hardest things. We love that personal interaction.
It's been a little bit sad just in general with everything, because I feel like the entire beauty industry has really been hit hard with this. Just driving down, like, local salons that used to be open and thriving are completely temporarily closed or completely shut down. And it's a little sad, you know, and we're just trying to, like I said, again, we're here. We just decided to come on here in the first place for that reason, because we want to help everyone still. We want to help our clients. We want to help everyone, you know. It's really important to us.
We just want to show that we care and want to make that contribution into the world to make yourself feel special, beautiful, and rare.
So I really hope you guys enjoyed our video today on MASKNE.
And we want to wish you guys a very, very happy new year. And I hope today and the rest of the year is amazing for you. Nothing but positivity and growth. 2021. 2021, here we come.
Until next time, gems, and remember, self-love, self-care, skincare.
Certain section, we will go ahead and timestamp everything down.
We never edited the first one either.
Yeah, we did.
We did?
Mm-hmm. Somebody didn't watch the first video that I worked so hard on.
I have a bad memory. Were you supposed to do that? What else are the causes of MASKNE?
Chocolate.
Snacks?
Snacks. No snack?
No. So today we're going to be talking about
MASKNE. Yes. It's a real thing.
But you're going to pause.
Oh, okay.
So today we're going to be talking about
MASKNE.
Yes, it's a real
People are suffering every single day from MASKNE. This isn't a joke.
We're going to tell you how to treat it, okay?
Take care of it, love it, get rid of it. Pack your bags and go.